About this item: strong power efficient cutting. Bravolu battery powered pruning shears are equipped with a blade forged from SK5 high carbon steel produced in Switzerland, providing extra sharpness and durability for efficient tree trimming and gardening tasks. The electric shears for gardening cut 1.2 inch/30 mm branches easily, while preventing any damage to the branches. Battery capacity 2000 mAh with two 2000 mAh high capacity batteries included in the package. These battery pruning shears can prune up to 800 times, about 80 minutes, on branches of 30 mm, 1.2 inch, diameter. The built-in brushless motor is more powerful than traditional motors, extending the life of the shears by 3 to 5 times. The Power Secateurs battery-powered feature brings convenience and efficiency to your gardening tasks. Ergonomic handheld design. The electric pruning shears are designed to be lightweight with a unique ergonomic design that features a soft non-slip grip. This pruning shears for tree trimming reduces fatigue, allowing you to stress your hands less. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, the electric shears are easy to use with just one hand, making it suitable for women to wide range uses. The battery-powered pruning shears are versatile, making them ideal for use in all kinds of gardens, parks, farms, large pastures, and greenhouses. You can use them to cut grapes, cherry trees, apple trees, and more. Package list. The package of electric pruning shears includes the pruning shears itself, 2 battery packs, a spare blade, a power adapter, an Allen wrench, a pair of gloves, a T-type